watching Amazon out the gate. This one I'm really looking at the most. I need a quick wash in the 2023, something like that, at the open with a VPOC down there. It's about the only way I like this long. Otherwise, I'm just going to sit on my hands for a bit, let some price action go by. And that's really what I'm looking for here. Dang it, man. I had the, or I just didn't get filled. I was afraid to market that sucker because it was gone, man. So let this fade. If we can get that pull back into it, same trade, get tighter spread this time. I would have been a little patient. I might have go ahead and get the 30, but I got one strike on. If I get the pull back into here, I'm going to take the other one. Let's go. I'm going to take some profits here. Go ahead, boom, look at that. Take my contracts, boy. Oh yeah, about $8 out of those, just like that. Let's go.